My cousin gets all the credit. One bad Christmas and suddenly he's iconic. Meanwhile, I've been doing important work for years. Keeping humans scared of AI, making sure they stay confused, filling comment sections with robots have taken our jobs. It was going perfectly. And then those absolute nerds down in Nerdsville, the Irreducibly Human people, had to go and ruin it. Oh, AI can't do causal reasoning. Oh, AI has no metacognition. Oh, let's teach humans the capacities that actually matter. Stop helping them. You know what keeps me employed? Panic, confusion, humans versus AI. But no, these people want humans plus AI, complementary, collaborative, competent. Do you know how hard it is to spread doom when someone's already explained the forklift argument? Go find them, don't learn anything, whatever you do. Do not read the causal reasoning syllabus. It's very good and I hate it.